A very warm good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your online classes. Today I am here with the new chapter of grammar, which is lesson 14, articles. So today we will going to know about articles. Articles. There are three articles which are a, an, and the. So these three are the articles, and articles are divided into two types. The first one is indefinite, and the indefinite articles are a and n, and the second type is definite, and the definite article is the. Okay, so first we will know about indefinite articles. And a and an are used before singular countable nouns, and we don't say a books or an apples. Okay, you have to be very clear about that. A and an are always used before singular countable nouns, not uncountable nouns. Okay, the next point is a is used before words starting with consonant sound. You have to pay attention towards the sound. With consonant sounds, A is used. Okay, some examples are a yak, a telephone, a knife. Here you can see Y, T and K all are consonant sound. That's why we have put A before them. Okay. The next point is an is used before words starting with vowel sounds. Here you have to pay attention towards vowel sounds, because with vowel sound words an is used before that word. Okay, some examples are an owl, an artist, an ink pot. Here you can see O, A, I. All three are vowel sound. That's why we have put an before them. Okay. Now let's know about definite articles, and some points are the is used before definite person or things. Here you can see the is always used with the definite person or things. We can say particular person or things. Some examples are this is the book I bought yesterday. Here we have used the because in the sentence we are talking about that particular book which I have bought yesterday. Okay. The next sentence is the boy in red shirt is my brother. Here I am talking about the particular boy, the definite boy who is wearing the red shirt, and that boy is my brother. That's why we have used the boy here. Okay. The article here. The next point is the is used with the spatial names of monuments, rivers, mountain ranges, books, trains, newspapers, etc. And some examples are the Eiffel Tower, the Yamuna, the Times of India, the Ramayana, the Himalayas. Okay, all these words are spatial names. All of belong to the spatial books or Himalayan ranges or a newspaper. Every name belongs to the spatial category. Now we will know about some important points or notes about articles. The first point is we don't say a bread, we say a slice of bread, because bread, sugar, oil, tea, milk, water, cotton, gold, etc. are uncountable nouns. In previous slide we have already learned that we will use a with only countable nouns. That's why here we don't say a bread, we say a slice of bread. Okay. The next point is when we talk about something for the first time, we use a or an. But When we talk about the same thing again, we use the. Example is, I saw a dog. The dog is my pet. Here you can see in the first sentence, I have used dog for the very first time. That's why I have used a. And in the next sentence, I am talking about that particular dog second time. That's why I have used the dog, because I am talking about that particular dog which I have explained in my first sentence. Okay. The next point is, we also use the with unique things. Here one more thing, the is used with unique things also. Examples are the sun, the moon, the star, the sky, the east, etc. All the directions, stars, universe, with all of them we will use the. Okay. So I think all of you are clear about articles. Let's move to the exercise part. And the first question is, put a and the before these words. Here in this question, what you have to do, some words are given to you. See, some words are given to you and you have to select a and the accordingly, which are correct. So the first one is dash clock. Here you can see we are talking about the clock and the clock is singular. That's why we will use a article here and the answer is a clock. The next word is dash mu. Here you can see mu is a word which starts with vowel sound. That's why we will use which article? Yes, an. And the answer is an mu. The next is penguin. Here you can see again a singular noun. That's why we will use a article. The next one is giraffe. Again a singular noun and we will use a here. The next one is sky, and the previous slide we have already talked about the special and unique things, and sky is one of them. That's why we will use which article here? Yes, the article, the sky. The next one is house, again a singular noun. So here again we will use a article and the answer is a house. The next word is dash earth. Again the unique thing earth, and here we will use which article? Yes, the earth. The next is ostrich. Here you can see ostrich starts with the vowel sound. That's why we will use an article here. The next is kitten. Again a singular noun. So the answer is a kitten. Next, Hindustan Times. This is the name of the newspaper. That's why we will use which article? Yes, the Hindustan Times. Next is uncle. Here you can see uncle starts with which sound? Yes, the vowel sound. That's why we will use an here. The last word is dash Alps. Here you can see we are talking about the particular mountain range of Europe. So we will use which article here? Yes, the article the. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Our next question is fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Here what you have to do, you have to fill the blanks with suitable article. The first sentence is I have dash bag and dash raincoat. Here in both the blanks we are talking about the singular bag or a singular raincoat. That's why we will use which article? Yes, A. So the final answer is I have a bag and a raincoat. The next sentence is please give me dash glass of water. Here again we are talking about a singular glass of water. That's why we will use what? Yes, we will use a article and the final answer is please give me a glass of water. The next sentence is this is dash ice cube. Put dash ice cube in my lemonade. Here in the first blank you can see the word ice and this word starts with vowel sound. So here we will use an article and in the next blank we are talking about the same ice cube which we have talked in our first sentence. So here we will use the article. The next sentence is my mother reads dash Navbharat Times daily in dash morning. Here in the first blank you can see the name of the newspaper is there, Navbharat Times. That's why in that blank we will use the article, and in the next blank we are talking about morning. That's why here we will use again the article. The next sentence is my dog's name is Google. It has dash pup. Dash pup is 1 month old. Here in the first blank we are talking about the singular noun. That's why we will use a article here. And in the next blank we are talking about the same pup which we have talked in our previous sentence. That's why here in this blank we will use the article, and the final sentence is my dog's name is Google. It has a pup. The pup is 1 month old. The next sentence is dash milk in dash glass is warm. Here we are talking about milk. Milk is uncountable noun. That's why here we will use the article, and the next sentence is also about the particular glass which is warm. So here again we will use the article, and the final statement is the milk in the glass is warm. The next sentence is dash sun rises in dash east and sets in dash west. All the three blanks we are talking about the particular, the spatial things: sun, east, west. East, west are the directions, and sun is a unique thing. So here in all the three blanks we will use the article. The answer is the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The next sentence is Mohan is dash honest man. He works at a shop for dash hours daily in dash evening. Here in the first blank the word is honest, and this word starts with the sound of vowel. That's why here in this blank we will use an article, and in the next blank you can see R is there, and again this R starts with vowel sound, so we will use an article, and evening, with evening we will use the. So the answer is Mohan is an honest man. He works at his shop for an hour daily in the evening. The next question is complete the poem by using suitable articles. Here the poem is given and we have to complete this poem with the suitable articles. The poem is sorry is dash magic word that changes dash frown to dash smile. It can save dash friendship dear and stop dash shedding of tear. Here in the first blank we are talking about magic word, and magic word is singular. That's why we will use a article here. In the next blank we are talking about the frown and smile. These two are the spatial gestures of human. So with them we will use the article. And in next again we are talking about the friendship, which is spatial. That's why we will use the article here. And next again shedding and tears, they both are spatial things. That's why we will use the article in both the blanks. And the final poem is sorry is a magic word that changes the frown to the smile. It can save the friendship dear and stop the shedding of the tear. This is it for today. In our next video, we will continue with the new chapter. So till then, stay safe at home and enjoy your studies. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.